So, welcome to another episode of our money analysis session. Yeah, as we all know, we're basically looking for opportunities in the market, and then you guys get to see how I get my entries and exits, basically my forex trading strategy. So, for those that are watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page. Let's get started. Fundamental wise, we have unemployment claims, yeah, and GDP Q on Q by 130. 130. That's mad. Anyhow, so that's the high impact. Okay. Next week is another month. No wonder. No wonder. Unemployment claims is to come before NFP. So next week is NFP. That's why market is just doing like this. Anyhow, let's jump on our charts and then let's see what the market can offer us. So if you look at this market, you don't even need even a blind man can tell that this market has been bearish. Yeah, very, very bearish. So now let's go to the 1H. Go to the 1H now, you see that okay, price has been bearish, but then how will I put it now? Price has just been creating. Yesterday, we created this lower low, sort of small lower high, then another lower low, small low, another lower low, lower high, then lower low. Now, this lower low that formed there, I actually was waiting for price to get to like the 0.618, but we didn't. Yeah, we just created lower high, and then now we push down to create another lower low. And then now price is basically trying to push up. Now, if you look at this thing here, you see that, okay, there's more or less exhaustion of buyers down, sorry, sellers. And then it's looking like, okay, buyers have started coming into the market. But the thing is, we'll not start buying right now, yeah? We just plot, we just basically highlight this area here, those highs up there. That's what I'm looking at actually. Then this low too also, yeah? So what am I looking for? If at any point I can see price get to this place, break it above, then I know that, okay, we have started shifting what? We have started, okay, buys have started coming into the market. That's when I'll start looking for, okay, a retest and then what, a continuation. But so far, with this range that we have here, I cannot say I want to sell with it. Do you understand? I would like to see price go down. Do you understand? Create a very nice range that I can say, okay, I'm waiting for price to retrace back and then what? Take a sell. So we're bearish, but then right now, I would like to see price break and then create nice structure that I can wisp and what see a retest. So far, we've just been sloping since yesterday. We've just been sloping down. We've just been the whole thing has just been pouring down. It's like it has just been washing down. So this is basically what I'm looking for. Personally, this is what I'm looking for. If I can get a break above, good, I'll love it. You understand? I'll look for a retest and then a continuation. But if I don't get that break above, then I can look to, okay, can we break below and then get a retest? You get, so that's what I'm gonna be looking at. Then we have NZD USD. this one is very, very well. Like since yesterday, ever we did that whole move to the downside, we've just been pouring, like we've just been pouring to the downside. We created this sort of low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low here, lower high. Now, if you look, you see what price has done here. Price created another low. You get it went back up and then tapped that. Let me see. Did it tap the 0.6? Yeah, it tapped exactly the 0.618, but this range itself is very, very small. I didn't even see this one myself. I was not even looking to trade this range. Do you understand? But then price went back, tapped it, and then we just rejected and came to the downside. So what am I going to look for on this pair currently? Normal, it's just like AUDSD. We have this high here. That's that lower high. And then we have this lower low here. So now, what are we going to use these two areas to do? If we can get price to come back and what stop this downtrend and just come and break the lower high to the upside, then we can look for what, a retest, nice continuation. What if we don't? Then we can look for price to break to the downside. Then what to look for a retest continuation. But since the market is bearish, I think we might continue bearish. It's just the news that might come and basically push the market to the upside. But I doubt that. I doubt that, honestly. Is there any pair that you guys want us to take a look at?
GBP USD.
Hello. This pair is just crazy. God, it's just crazy. Funny thing is, we're still very much inside that downtrend. So we did as if we shifted structure to the upside the other day. Price came down, we broke to the downside, we created lower high. Then we created this lower low, lower high, then lower low. And the same thing with NZD, USD, and AED. The price just retested up. Do you understand? So now, what can we watch out for? Because right now the sales have already started. If at any point, okay, the
I'm
sales can
I'm
come
already
and
on the sales.
you're already on the sell bar, that's nice. If
Yes.
price can come
Yes.
and break to the downside here, then we'll look for what a retest and then a continuation. But then what if we don't? Then we'll look for what that break above. So that's what we can look out for. So now the sales have already started. So sit back and watch and see how everything will play out. If we can successfully break below, then we'll look for a retest of it and then a continuation, basically. Any other pair you guys want us to take a look at?
Let's look at Euro USD.
Okay. Okay, this is interesting.
But I'm expecting price to go further down.
Well, that's actually true. Let me see. There's something with Euro
Because
US.
if Euro USD, because Euro USD now is acting well, because if Euro USD act like this, I think GBP USD will still go further down.
Yes, yes,
because
yes, definitely.
because it has break from that range, that 1 hour range there.
Yes. So now,
I'm expecting
GBP
price.
USD just created this low down here. Do you understand? And it's still pushing down. What I'll say is, if I actually look at this here, we have like the low, then small lower high, then another low. Do you get? So we can, let me see, let me plug my favorite and see. Good. But price is still pushing to the downside. But then that area there is more or less around that 0.618. We can look for a retest of that area once price gets back there. If price can start retracing, they'll look for a retest of that area and then a continuation. So it's basically what we can look at.
Yes.
Any other pair you guys want us to take a look at?
NZDJPY.
It's a DGPY. Now, they go get all these cross pairs. You don't see it in the app now. It's more or less in a range. Any other pair? Nobody want ask me my analyze good. I be all of now don't tell it's good.
Today that I not risk much on my trade. Look at how the trade is just flying down. The day I will risk high now, the trade will
I
just
told
be
you
going
about
against.
keeping a consistent risk. Keep a consistent risk. If it's 1% you're risking, you risk 1% across all your trades. Do you understand? Okay, gold
I'm
is
trading
ranging.
a $200 account.
Gold
So
is
I just
ranging.
use 0.04.
Gold is ranging. Any other pair you guys want us to take a look at?
Okay. What of USDJPY?
USDJPY, it's suspecting it to be ranging. Okay, this one is not. So USDJPY is more or less in an uptrend. We've created higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So what can we watch out for? Let me plug my favor and say. Wahala. 0.618 is sitting down here, like sitting down here, sitting down here. So I doubt price might want to get back into that place. But if we can get back here, this is a nice place we can look for a buy to the upside using FIB. But I doubt that's going to happen. And this is USDJPY. USDJPY doesn't like retesting 0.618 areas of difficulty. But currently we're in an uptrend. So we can just look for, okay, Price has created a high. Let's create that higher low, and then we basically ride it to the upside. So that's it.
Okay. That's fine.
Yeah. Any other pair you guys want us to take a look at?
No.
Oh, yeah, no worries now. So, in the absence of any other pair to look at, we'll call it a session. This market throughout this week
Okay.
has not been favorable to me. I know how it's doing, but anyhow, na small thing. Oh, keep calm.
Mr. Scooby,
Yeah.
please, I purchased a 50K account, but I want a refund. I've not started trading the account
I
on
don't
a
think
consummate trader.
I don't think you'll be able to get the refund though. If you had not used the money to purchase it, then I think you'll be able to get the refund. But as you have paid for it, I don't think you'll be able to get it.
But I've not started trading it yet, too.
No, I don't think you'll be able to get it, Sha. Just message their support and see whether they'll agree.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Anyhow now, I'll catch you guys same time tomorrow. Stay safe, guys.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.